Hello, and welcome to this brief overview of the workers' compensation claim process at Zurich. I'm a Zurich claim professional, and I'll be your guide for this presentation. If you sustained an injury at work, filing a workers' compensation claim doesn't need to be intimidating. Your employer has chosen to rely on us for their workers' compensation needs. Our goal is to get you back to work quickly and safely while ensuring you receive the appropriate care. We recognize that each claim is unique. We handle each one based on its unique set of factors and circumstances. So now, let's walk through what will happen and what needs to get done. If you receive this video via email, your employer has already reported your injury. They've supplied us with the information on what happened, when it happened, who was involved, and other important details, and the claims professional handling your claim will reach out to your employer to confirm these details. Once that's done, your claim professional will contact you to review your information, such as any treatment to date and relevant history. Then things should start happening pretty quickly. Here's a list of what to expect. We will contact your medical provider to obtain medical records and confirm the details of the injury and treatment. We will then make a compensability determination to ensure the injuries involved are covered and warrant compensation. If your claim is accepted, we will issue a pharmacy card fulfilling any necessary prescriptions. If you are losing time from work, you may be eligible for benefits. If so, you will be paid at a percentage of your wages, determined by your state. Your wages may be estimated until we obtain a wage statement. And we will work with you to facilitate a successful recovery and return to work process. There are several resources available to you to help make this process go smoothly. If you are receiving benefits for lost wages, you can enroll in electronic funds transfer, or EFT. In certain cases, you can select your provider using our provider network. You can ask your providers to submit bills directly to Zurich. Finally, you should email any documents related to your claim that come to you, such as medical bills, directly to us at usc.zurich.claims.documents@zurichna.com. I hope this overview of Zurich's workers' compensation process has been helpful. Be sure and take note of your claim professional's contact information and your claim number, which may have been provided via email. And always feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Thank you. And we hope you found this video helpful.